This is the Kia Sportage 2015-2021, and to fold the back seat in this car, you will first of all need to make sure that the head restraints are all the way down. So this is the first thing you should do. Here is the button that helps you put them down. So press this button and just push the headrest down. This is the first step. Then secondly, the seat belts are usually in this position and it makes it uncomfortable to fold down the seats. So here is the special plastic clip, special plastic holder for this seat belt, and you need to put the seat belt right in this holder and it holds it pretty tightly. So this is quite a comfortable feature in the Kia Sportage. And the last thing you need to do, you need to pull up this lever. So when you pull it up, the seat goes down. And the good thing is that the seat is fixated in this position. It's not just lying down, it's fixated. Then you repeat the procedure on this side. And now you have all the seats folded in your car. You can easily take this curtain down just by pressing these sides of this curtain, so it's quite easy. And here are the dedicated places that you can put this curtain into. If you don't have the full-size spare wheel, you will be able to put this curtain right under these plastic panels, right in these places, but I have this full-size spare wheel, so it's impossible for me to put this in this place. So here I have these dedicated places. This is the second possible place where I can put this curtain and it will not take a lot of cargo space.